Have you ever looked at a gaming tablet and thought, this is basically a gaming laptop packed into something I can actually hold? Well, that's exactly the feeling I got when I checked out the brand new ZTE Red Magic Astra 2. This isn't trying to be an all-round entertainment tablet first and a gaming device second. Nope. Everything here is designed with one goal in mind: delivering maximum gaming performance without compromises. From the insanely fast 185Hz OLED display to Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, this tablet is aiming straight at hardcore mobile gamers. But is it actually worth buying? Or is it just another spec monster that looks better on paper than it performs in real life? Stick around because we're going through everything you need to know. And by the end of this video, you'll know whether the Red Magic Astra 2 deserves a spot in your gaming setup. And before we jump in, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because we're bringing you the latest smartphone and gaming tablet reviews before everyone else. The first thing that immediately stands out is the design. The Red Magic Astra 2 doesn't try to hide its gaming DNA. It features a premium glass front, an aviation-grade aluminum frame, and an aluminum back that feels incredibly solid in the hand. Despite packing serious hardware inside, it's only 6.9mm thick, which is honestly impressive for a device carrying such a massive battery. At 363 grams, it's definitely not lightweight, but considering the hardware you're getting, the weight actually adds to that premium feel instead of becoming uncomfortable. Around the back, you'll also notice the signature RGB lighting that gives the tablet that unmistakable Red Magic gaming identity. Whether you're gaming in the dark or simply showing it off on your desk, it definitely looks like a flagship gaming machine. Now let's talk about what might be the biggest highlight here: the display. You're getting a massive 9.06-inch LTPO OLED panel with a crisp 1504 by 2400 resolution. Colors are vibrant, blacks are truly black, and HDR content looks fantastic thanks to peak brightness reaching up to 1600 nits. But what really steals the show is that incredible 185Hz refresh rate. That's one of the fastest displays we've ever seen on a gaming tablet, making scrolling, animations, and supported games feel unbelievably smooth. Add in 1 billion colors and PWM dimming, and you've got a display that's not only fast but also comfortable during long gaming sessions. Whether you're playing competitive shooters, racing games, or simply watching movies, this screen is absolutely built to impress. Powering everything is Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor built on a cutting-edge 3nm process. Combined with the Adreno 840 GPU, this thing is an absolute powerhouse. Expect flagship-level gaming performance capable of running titles like Genshin Impact, Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG Mobile, Wuthering Waves, and every demanding Android game at extremely high settings with smooth frame rates. Thanks to Red Magic's gaming optimization and Android 16 with Red Magic OS 11.5, the software is heavily tuned for gamers. Features like performance profiles, gaming overlays, and advanced thermal management make this feel more like a dedicated gaming console than a standard Android tablet. Memory options are equally impressive. You can choose between 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM paired with 256 GB, 512 GB, or even a massive 1 TB of ultra-fast UFS 4.1 Pro storage. App launches are nearly instant, game loading times are incredibly quick, and multitasking feels effortless. Even if you're someone who installs dozens of large games, records gameplay, and stores offline media, the higher storage variants should easily handle everything you throw at them. Unfortunately, there's no microSD card slot, but with up to 1 TB available, most users probably won't miss expandable storage. If you're enjoying this review so far and want more early looks at upcoming smartphones, gaming tablets, and flagship devices, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Gaming isn't only about performance. Audio also plays a huge role, and thankfully Red Magic hasn't ignored that. The stereo speaker setup delivers loud, immersive sound with impressive clarity, making explosions, footsteps, and background music feel much more engaging. Support for Snapdragon sound also improves the wireless audio experience if you're using compatible earbuds or headphones. Sadly, there's no 3.5mm headphone jack, but with Bluetooth 5.4 and dual USB Type-C ports, connectivity remains extremely flexible. One of those USB ports even supports DisplayPort output, allowing you to connect the tablet to an external monitor for an even bigger gaming experience. Battery life looks equally impressive thanks to the huge 8,300 mAh battery. Considering the efficient Snapdragon chipset and LTPO OLED technology, you should comfortably get through long gaming sessions or an entire day of mixed use without constantly reaching for the charger. And when you finally do need to recharge, the included 80W fast charging gets you back into the action very quickly. There's also bypass charging, which is a feature serious gamers absolutely love because it powers the tablet directly while gaming, reducing battery heat and helping maintain better long-term battery health during extended sessions. The cameras are simple but perfectly reasonable for a gaming tablet. On the back, there's a 13-megapixel camera capable of recording 4K video at 30 frames per second, while the front houses a 9-megapixel selfie camera recording full HD video. Nobody buys a gaming tablet for photography, but these cameras are more than good enough for video calls, online classes, streaming, scanning documents, or occasionally capturing quick photos when needed. Overall, the ZTE Red Magic Astra 2 feels like one of the most focused gaming tablets we've seen this year. It combines a stunning 185Hz OLED display, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 performance, premium build quality, dual USB Type-C ports, massive battery, bypass charging, and gaming-focused software into one seriously capable package. Starting at around €580, it actually looks surprisingly competitive considering the hardware you're getting. If your priority is maximum Android gaming performance instead of cellular connectivity or camera features, this tablet deserves to be near the very top of your shortlist. Let me know down in the comments what you think about the Red Magic Astra 2, and as always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech reviews and gaming coverage.